Obila me kaunti ma Migori dichieng' ma kawuono ni endi nondhiyo kanyo Nyasore ma nyalo romo kanyo silings milion 18 kalure kanyo kod OCPD ma gwenge ma kono e Omako Harriet. En kanyo ni report maket kod mano ne giyudo kanyo kuwuok kuom jopiny. Gino ni koro nochuno mondo kora apisas mag Obila ne ringi kendo dhi ka gwenge go kuma Kamaiga ma bende yudore kar chung' od bura ma Suna East. Kata kamano weg Nyasore go eko kata chije mabende ne ni kod Nyasore go notomo wech kama ne giweyo kanyo apiko kata boda boda mbili ne gitiyo godo e chwalo Nyasore go mono wuok e piny malibamba mar Tanzania ka ikelo pacho kaendi.
Today in the morning, we got an intelligence report from the Embassy of the Republic within a place called Kamaiga area that is within Pakistan, that two unknown persons were ferrying some goods in a motorbike with no registration number, and the goods were suspected to be cannabis sativa. So immediately we go to the intelligence, the officers rushed to the scene, and unluckily, two persons fled away from the scene and entered a maize plantation. So they were not able to arrest them. And at the moment they are at large. However, they managed to get entry into the building. It was a mud house. And upon search, they found 1.5 sacks of cannabis sativa, in another language, bang. They took cheese that has a street value of around 1.8 million. So currently we are having the exhibit in our store. But we are appealing to the members of the public to assist us with information as to where we can find the suspects.